Yeah, welcome YouTube. My name is Pau Kroon and today we're gonna go on with part 4 of our styles in PowerApp videos. And what we're gonna do today, we're gonna add some icons and we want to use that icons to do our task later in our app. So navigation, saving, etc. So let's go to PowerApps, and what basically is the solution we want is to have two boxes, one for the header icons and one for the app items. And I make a main screen. When we go to the design view, we can say we want to search for our controls and select the text input box, a combo box, a button, no button and a label, and we want to add it to our main screen so we can use in there. And we want to do the same for our icons. So you see I called it Y and 00 so that I can easily find my icons. So here I have the app icon and the header icons. So let's say I want to have an header icon to go back. Oh. Let's select this. We want to have a camera and we want to add a document of any kind. We deselect this, go to the main screen and say paste, and then we have our nice icons for in our headers. Now we can do the same with our app, so that's easy to copy and paste to the right spot. Okay, how to build this? Let's go to the other browser, and I have 4 easy steps to follow. It's gonna take some time because first we have to put in our icons, and we're gonna say we want to rename our icon. Do it here in the right corner to Y00 and add. Okay, it's being used already, so I'm gonna say add 1. So basically I give them a descriptive name. Do that for the next item. I cancel. Also in use. Okay, cancel 1. Just gonna put in the 1 after it. Next time I'm gonna do something. So I do that for all the icons you want to have, and you get a long list. And I have already built this because else you are watching me adding icons and renaming them. So what we then can do is select all icons. I always say I want to align them to the bottom so I get a nice list, and then I'm gonna add 1 extra icon, and I think a settings button is fine for this. Let's delete this one and take the button. Now this is gonna be our mother. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna rename this. So I always say design app icon and design header icons, but I'm gonna do that later. So we basically now gonna select this one, this list of icons, and just do the same as the controls. Let's wait a minute for it to unblock. Okay, we just have to be patient, and we say the app icon 1 dot focus border thickness. Now, copy this part and do the same for all the other parameters we want to connect to our settings, and then we get something like this list. So what we then gonna do is take 1 of the list icons to the left, 1 to the right, select them all and say we want to align them on the same line and distribute horizontal. So we now get mother, and if we change this color to let's say green, why isn't it changing? Oh, I just have to be patient. So green, and when we're gonna go back, it's gonna change all the colors in my app. So what we're now gonna do is we're gonna take, I think, 7 icons, select them all and place them right under our mother. Do that same for the next. And just put them under it. Then at the end we have a whole list, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a label. And this is gonna be our back layer or frame. So when our icon sits in a white color, for example, we can also see what our icon look like. So we're gonna add the text to the top, go to the center, and in this case rename this to the design app icon frame. Gonna recall this frame to the app icon frame. So I have a nice box. Gonna select them all and group them and rename the group to the app icon group. So now I have a group, and when I set the back to a color, oh, don't forget to reorder and place the frame to the back. So when I now change this to a white color, I will still see my icons. When you're done, you get something like this with all your icons you want to use, and a frame and the name of the frame and a mother button. You later on connect to your font design or your button design to get the right colors, and when you change that, this icons are gonna change with your settings. So what we can do, we can copy and paste this box. So we have one mother for the header icons and all our icons, and we copy this. We have to wait a little bit for that to happen. Let's put that right beside. Okay, let's go back and select the whole box. Oh, what am I doing? Let's do it here. And what the nicest thing about this, when we would change this color, we see that the copied icons are connected to our new mother. We're gonna call this the D app icon. And we can rename the group to the D app icon group. Let's put in a 1 to be sure. And then we have our boxes for our headers and for our app. Now rename our back layer label, and we now can select these both, go to the other app, and if we want, we can paste it here. Then only connect this mother, as I said, to our for the color, for example, to our default. Let's do the button dot color. for a night white color, and let's connect this one for the color to our default color. So, and I think that's all on how to build a kind of template icons for your app, and how you can use it in other screens just by looking for them and copy them to the other screen, and just have to do that once. It's gonna take some time, but it's gonna be a lot faster than just put an icon in and for each icon have to connect them to a other icon for inheritance. So thanks for watching to this video. I hope you liked it and you learned something. So if you do, please like and subscribe. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to export this basic template, design template, to a zipped package and then import it in another environment. I hope to see you in the next video, and see you later.